Look around you, look down the bar from you, at the faces that you see. Are you sure this is where you wanna be? These are your friends, but are they real friends? Do they love you as much as me? And are you sure this is where you wanna be? You seem in such a hurry to lead this kind of life, and you caused so many pain and misery.
So look around you and take a good look at all the local used-to-bes. Are you sure that this is where you want to be?
Please don't let my tears persuade you. I'd hoped I wouldn't cry. Oh, but lately teardrops seem a part of me.
So look around you and take a good look at all the local used-to-bes. Are you sure that this is where you want to be?
On a warm summer's evening, on a train bound for nowhere, I met up with a gambler. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took turns of staring out the window at the darkness till boredom overtook us, and he began to speak. He said, "Son, I've made a life out of reading people's faces and knowing what the cards were by the way they held their eyes. So if you don't mind my saying, I can see you're out of aces. For a taste of your whiskey, I'll give you some advice." So I handed him my bottle, and he drank down my last swallow. Then he bummed a cigarette and asked me for a light, and the night got deathly quiet, and his face lost all expression. Said, "If you're gonna play the game, boy, you gotta learn to play it right. You got to know when to hold 'em, know when to fold 'em, know when to walk away, and know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the dealing's done." Every gambler knows that the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep, 'cause every hand's a